What's going on, guys? Father Man White here. Just got a package in the mail, so let's see what we got right here real quick. So it's looking like we got the polisher in the mail. So we got our compounds and polishes right here. It's really nice. We got our heavy cut pad. Got our polishing light pad. Then we got our finish pad right here. It's got some weight to it. I like it. This set came from Chemical Guys. It came with 9 pieces. So we'll check it out and see what it does. How good it is. Alright guys, so I want to take you through the pads real quick and show you what comes with this kit. So for this kit, it has a medium heavy cut, it's orange. And now with every kit it's going to be different. So for this one it's orange, so pay attention. And then for the light to medium it's white, right here. And then to finish off the vehicle it's going to be black. Now when it comes to pads, every company has a different pad, different color for every different thing. So for Chemical Guys, you have orange, white, and black. For somebody else, you might have red, blue, yellow, green. It doesn't matter what color it is. But it could also be, the finished pad could be orange. But it all depends on where you're getting the pads from. But anyways, I want to take y'all through a little bit of that, because most people might get confused and think, oh, it's an orange pad from somewhere else, and then that orange pad could end up doing a different thing that they didn't want to do. So I just want to make sure you guys are cautious and careful with what you guys are doing. Okay, guys, so these 4 bottles are the bottles that come with the kit. So I just want to take you through each one and tell you a little bit about what each one does. So right here, this purple one, this is the extreme compound, so if you're doing heavy cuts, we'll use that. This 34, and each one has their own number. So that purple one was the V32, this is the V34, and it's a hybrid. So this is a little bit of everything right here, all over this bottle. Then you got the finish cut, which is for the polishing at the end, cut polish. So it's kind of like an all-in-one in itself, and so that's V36, right? And then 38 is the actual polish. So this is to finish off the vehicle after you finish with the compound with one of the other 2 steps. But and I want to mention to you guys that I'm not sponsored by Chemical Guys in any way. I just want to show you guys through the set of what I received, and then I'll tell you all about it, if it's good or not, through my trials and errors with it. Alright, so lastly we got the polisher. Now this came with, you know, its little tools and whatnot, a manual for you. There's that. But what I like about it is, I'm not sure if you guys know, but it's very important for you to have a long cable to come with your polisher. And now, if you don't, I mean, regardless, at the end of the day, you're probably going to use an extension cord so you can get around the full car. But it's always nice to have a little more extension from your polisher itself. So that's pretty cool. That's nice. Just wanted to show you guys the full set of what it comes with. So that's everything: the polisher, the pads, and the compound and polishes. So let's get Alright guys, so we're going to start the polishing stage after we cleaned the whole car. It took about like an hour, hour 30. Now let's get started. Get it ready, primed up.
Is your hand like vibrating? Yeah.
That scratch was deep, almost. It's still there.
Where?
You can still see the line, because that shit deep as fuck.
Oh, I didn't
You
even.
can still see the line, but that's not bad. Guys, the power of editing is crazy. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Follow me on my